This is the ToolPro TP03090 banjo. This is our stainless steel banjo. It's got a few features here that I want to show you out of the box. When you open the banjo, you're going to see how the edge of this is cupped over. The way it's designed is so you can use the strap on the left and make it a left or right-handed banjo. You can see that on the blade, as well as these holes in the back, and these can be punched out as well. It comes with the web strap if you decide you want to use it with the web strap, and the hardware and a thumb guard. Let's open the other side. Oh, sorry. And over here you'll see that that's the adjustable blade. You can use a thumb screw to adjust it, the amount of mud you're going to meter out onto your tape. If you go to the other side of the banjo and release this side, you'll see the tape reel. The tape reel actually has a thumb screw where you can adjust the tension on the tape. Usually people leave it pretty loose, but you can adjust that to be a little bit tighter. That's to your personal preference. The way you would feed this tape into the banjo. Feed it into the bottom. Close this. Bring the tape up and over. Fill your compound in this cavity. Close this one, adjust the compound, and now as you pull it out, it's going to be coated on the bottom, and you can use the serrated edge to tear it. You can use this, like I said, right or left-handed. It will hold up to 500 roll of paper tape. Heavy-duty hinges, and all stainless steel construction. Proudly made in US of A.